Hello everyone, Dr. Taylor Levine from Unruh Spine Center, where today I'm going to be going over some conditions that you may not know myself as a chiropractor can help you with. I'm going to not only talk about how we can help you deal with some of these issues at home with some stretches and exercises, but I'm going to give you a glimpse of what some treatments may look like if you come into office dealing with these conditions. A specific condition that some patients may be coming into my office for treatment is dealing with pain on the hip, in particular right here on the side where the bone is. If you're dealing with a lot of pain in that area, especially when you're laying on that side, that can be something that's called trochanteric bursitis, which is inflammation to what's called a bursa, which is a fluid-filled sac that sits right over this bone that helps facilitate and lubricate the joints to allow the motion to happen in this ball and socket joint. So if you feel like you're dealing with something like this, feel free to come in and we can help diagnose your condition and lay out a game plan that works best for you. So patients often ask me, is there something I can do to help mitigate some of my hip discomfort while I'm at home? And a couple things that I do recommend is if you are having some discomfort going on in that hip, is you can definitely ice that once or twice a day over the area. So for instance, if you're dealing with pain right here on the side, you can put that ice pack right on the side here. As well as working on helping loosen up some of the tension in the musculature around the area is helpful. So if you have a massage gun, it could be any brand massage gun. And I'm going to just show you a couple areas that I would pinpoint and focus on while you're at home if you're dealing with this condition. So I'm going to get this started. And one thing is kind of feel for where that side bone is in your hip, because you don't want to go directly on top of it because that's going to cause some agitation. What you'll want to do is go slightly behind it and in a sweeping motion, going back and forth over that musculature. And you can go from right to left, and then in this case, I can also go up and down right into some of the upper glute muscles. You can also work into this upper part where your pelvis and your hip meet to help work easing up the tension in this muscle as well. And you can work back into the low back region a little bit to again relieve more tension off this hip area. These are just a few areas that I would recommend that you get that massage gun on to help relieve some of these tension points that you're dealing with in your hip. Lastly, one great thing that you can do for yourself at home when dealing with these hip conditions is working on not only stretching the area, but doing a little bit of strength training as well. So I highly implore you to go onto my social media page, whether it's my Instagram page or my YouTube page, and find the videos for hip stretches and or hip exercises that you can be doing to help facilitate your healing at home. Again, I'm Dr. Taylor Levine from Unruh Spine Center, and if you're dealing with this condition, please call my office and make an appointment. We'll get you evaluated and figure out what your best course of care is. We'll talk again soon.